In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up reminders for invoices and bills in your account settings. This feature is designed to help you stay organized and ensure that you never miss a payment deadline. It's a straightforward process, but taking the time to enable reminders can hugely benefit your financial management. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to find your way to the gear icon, which is usually located in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on this icon will open up a drop-down menu where you'll see a variety of options. From this list, you'll need to select Account and Settings. This is your main hub for managing various aspects of your account, from personal information to preferences. So it's good to familiarize yourself with what's available here. Once you've clicked on Account and Settings, look for the Advanced tab. This section holds more specific settings that can tailor your experience, making it more suited to your personal needs. The Advanced tab might seem a bit intimidating at first with all the different options, but don't worry, we are focusing on reminders today. Inside the Advanced section, you'll find the option for Reminders. This is where you can set up notifications for your invoices, bills, and other financial obligations. Enabling these reminders is crucial for staying on top of your deadlines and avoiding late fees or missed payments. Keeping your finances in check is easier when you're notified ahead of time. You'll want to make sure that reminders for invoices, bills, and maybe even other financial items are turned on. This means that the system will send you notifications reminding you when a payment is due or when you have an invoice coming up. It's like having a personal assistant who keeps you in the loop and helps you manage your time and your finances wisely. Be sure to save the changes once you've enabled the reminders. You might find a save button at the bottom or the top of your screen. This step is crucial because if you don't save your changes, all your finely tuned reminder settings won't be preserved and you'll have to start over, save your work to ensure that all your customizations take effect. Congratulations! By enabling these reminders, you're taking a proactive step in managing your finances more efficiently. It's a small action that can have a significant impact on your financial health. These reminders will give you peace of mind, knowing that your obligations won't slip through the cracks. Thank you for joining in today, and I hope you found this guide easy to follow and helpful for keeping your financial matters organized. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help you stay on track.